Welcome to the grand finale of the Global Student Entrepreneur Awards Bangladesh 2025-26.
Citibank presents Yo Bangladesh Global Entrepreneurs Finale. কে হবেন বিজয়ী?
What if, in this solve, we can actually grow food and sustain agriculture?
Coolon AI, an AI platform that automates customer support for internet service providers.
A world-first scalable jute cellulose-based biodegradable plastic alternatives. We are more durable than regular plastics.
So what's the profit?
We already bought some money yet.
তরুণ উদ্যোক্তাদের উদ্ভাবনী আইডিয়া যাচাই করবেন আমাদের সম্মানিত বিচারকগণ।
Are you afraid of competition?
Never. If I were afraid of the competition, I would have not come here.
You're going to be sending all validated mechanics. Who are validating you?
What if clean drinking water did not come from the ground but from the air?
We're bringing Bangladesh's first locally manufactured affordable bionic prosthetic limbs.
There's only a grip. What is the difference between my children's toy of Iron Man and this one?
ওয়াহিদুল ইসলাম শুভ্রর পরিচালনায় ইও বাংলাদেশ গ্লোবাল এন্টারপ্রেনার্স অ্যাওয়ার্ড ফাইনাল দেখতে চোখ রাখুন 7 ফেব্রুয়ারি রাত 10টায় বঙ্গ এবং 21 টেলিভিশনে।